So what if you have the cis isomer of the molecule we worked with? We had the trans, if you look before, and now we need to look at the cis isomer and be able to draw that one. So it's the same principle. Now you ask yourself, what if I have this on the floor and I'm looking at it? How would they point? How would these two bonds point? They would both point up. This one is up and that one would be up. So you can work with your frame of reference right here and redraw it. Again, not the best drawing, so you have to bear with me. Really tried recording this a million times, but again, this software is not great at allowing me to manipulate the pencil here, or the pen, I mean. There we go. So we're going to number this as 1 and 2. Once again, this was 1 and that would be 2. Keep them the same way. You kept the Cl. If it's still up, up. And now what would you think the CH3 would look like? If it was down here for a trans, then it would be what? Up, which is axial. There you go. That's the transformation between these two. Now, if you were to be asked which one would be more stable, the top one would be more stable because, again, it has both an equatorial position. That's what you actually need. Now, finally, let's get to this right here. And you may ignore this last statement because it talks about the ring flip, and I'm not going to make you understand it or do it, work on it. So once again, if you're looking at, if this is on the floor and you're looking at it, how would they look like? This would be up. And what would this would look like? It would be up as well. So if this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is 1, that's 2, that's 3, and that's 4. It really doesn't matter where you start from, as long as you know which one's 1 and which one's 4. So you have, this is up, so it must be axial here. And on 4 right here, if you make it axial down, it would contradict this. It would be the transform of this. So in this case, it would be the equatorial, which is SCH3. Here it is. That's a transformation. When we meet next time, we will talk about